Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how you can remove the base and also put it back on your GoveeLife heater. You might want to remove it because you might be selling it and it's easier to pack, and also you might want to clean it. And then you might want to put it back on because you've bought it off eBay and it's come with the base removed and you're not sure how to put it back on. First things first, we are going to turn it off at the switch here and we are going to unplug it. We need to turn it upside down. You can put down a cloth if you're worried about damaging your heater or the surface you're putting it on. And we have 3 screws here and also the cable. The cable has a little bit of sheath on it here. You just want to release it from that bit of plastic. So just gently push it to one side there. And we're going to undo the 3 Phillips screws. So they're crosshead screws. And you'll go in counterclockwise, lefty-loosey. And this will allow you to lift it off here and bring it to here. And now it will be easy to come apart. We have a tiny little clip just here and just here as well. So if you get your finger and just put it there and there, it's a bit fiddly. There, you can see now it comes off in 2 parts. This will give you an opportunity to clean all in here and also all around here as well, because there's quite a build-up of dust and dirt. So I'm just going to get a little cloth. There we go. Now pretend you've bought this from eBay and you want to put it back together. We want this power cord to be towards the back of the heater, so away from the grill at the front, and we're going to put the 2 halves together. So this bit here is the bit where the cable goes through. So put this one on first. So you're going to be bringing this round like so. And we're now going to be clipping this on. You can see we have this bit here and this bit here. That locates in this bit and also this bit here. So this is going to go down on top of this bit. So just line it up like so and clip it into place. There. And there, and now we have 3 holes here that the screws need to go into, and they need to go into these 3. Remember, the cable goes on this bit, not round here, on there. So we should be able to just find it like so. There's a little bit of play, but it should be okay. And then we're going to be putting these in clockwise. To the right. You don't have to go too hard, you're only screwing into plastic. So just nip it up, like so. There's designed to be a little bit of play in it because that's the oscillation. And then with this, we just want to put it under that. So don't force it down hard from there. Try to bring it round the side and get it underneath that little plastic clip. And that's it, you can see that's on there now. We've got the rubber feet there, 3 screws in, and it's clipped together. So that's how to remove and put back on your base. Thanks for watching.